So I first made a video on Opendoor stock, opendoor.com, as you can see here, about a week ago. And let's take a look at what happened since then. So this is when I first posted that video. And from that point, it's currently up over almost 50%. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, I don't know what you're doing. If you're watching this video, just give me a subscribe, turn on post notification, give this video a like. In this video, I'm just going to do a really quick update analysis and give you some information of how I find stocks so early that rallies. Every time I post a video, a week later, at least a week, within a week, it starts to rally over like 50%, sometimes over 100%. Today, as you can see, it had a massive rally of almost like 15% intraday. And if we take a look at the news article over here, the reasoning that they give is right here. So I'll just read it straight up. iBuyer announced the launch of his new Key Agent app designed to streamline the home assessment process for real estate agents. So this is, if you search up like, okay, why did Opendoor have such a massive rally today? This is kind of the information you'll get. But I want to show you like how did I call it almost like a week ago. It's because I use this very specific type of screening strategy where I look at the options market for discrepancies. And so far, like if you go take a look at my channel, almost every single video I make, it works out. That's one criteria I use, but then I come back to the indicators to look for a place to place a trade. So I'm going to do a quick TA analysis update. And as you can see, it had a gap up today. We're looking at the 45-minute chart, and charts usually don't like a gap. So going forward tomorrow, what we can expect, again, I'm not Nostradamus. I don't have a crystal ball. I don't know exactly what will happen, but if you follow me, if you follow my channel, you'll see like we can use past data to pretty accurately gauge what we can expect going forward. So what I expect tomorrow. If tomorrow the entire market is up and everything is rallying, so today was interesting because the entire market was down. The Bitcoin rally euphoria wore off and all the stocks were down, but this one rallied. But so tomorrow what we can expect is that if the euphoria comes back and the entire market is up, then it can continue to rally up. It broke the $1 mark, which is a key point, and it can continue to rally up. But if there's, if the overall broad market is not, it's just neutral, then what we can expect to see is this close this gap, because charts hate gaps. So we can expect traders to take profit and this gap to close. And if this gap closes, then we can expect the price to come down and test this 50-day moving average. But I think overall we're on an uptrend. Even if it comes down and tests this 50-day moving average, personally, nothing I say is financial advice for educational purpose only. I would get back in when it touches, or I would take another position if it touches this 50-day moving average tomorrow. And then let's quickly take a look at the 4-hour chart. So the chart overall looks healthy. It's on an uptrend. It's above the 50-day, 200-day moving average. And then if we take a look at the 1-day chart. So here, this is key. So around this is when I made the video, see, because I saw the options market discrepancy and then I called it like spot on. From the time I called it, it didn't trade below from the exact pretty much price point I called it. But what we can see going forward, again, like it might fill that gap, but if it doesn't fill that gap, like it will come up and test this 200-day moving average on the daily. It will test it and it will act like a resistance. It's very rare that it will just blow through this 200-day moving average on the daily. It will act like a resistance and it might trade sideways for a while until the moving averages converge and the 50-day crosses over 200, which is ideal. That's called the golden cross, and that's the best time to take a position. So look out for that. Again, this was a very quick technical analysis. I just wanted to show you the first video I made. It was at 73 cents, and since that time, you're looking at a massive 50% gain. And I'm just now giving you an update what to look out for next. So please give this video a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please just subscribe, turn on the post notification. I'm trying to get to at least 1,000 subscribers by the end of the month. I think that's a very hefty goal, but if you guys are kind enough, maybe we can get there together. Please subscribe. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subscribers. And the channel is still very small, so interact with me in the comments section. Think of it as like a chat room, because if you leave a response, I will respond back to you. So I want to chat with everyone. I want to see what you're thinking, what you think about the videos, what do you think about the stock, any other stock on your mind. Just think of it as a chat room, the comment section. So leave a comment, just say anything, just say hi. I'll say hi back. and let's have a conversation in the comment section. And thank you for watching. I will see you on the next video.